Hey guys, so the E335 is about to go off to paint, and here's the M3 bumper. Fits pretty decent for 250 bucks, but you can see here it's not the best, but it's fine though. But yeah, actually I just got a call that it just got back from paint, so got the car back from paint, and had to get actually a new hood because that one was too much to repair, and it would just been cheaper to get a new one. Also got the headlights buffed, so it's pretty nice. And here's the front bumper. So pretty much it's the last piece of the puzzle and it'll be done. Well, the car is officially done. Looks okay, but you know, like there's these kind of things where the gaps aren't the greatest, and like this here and stuff doesn't fit up that well, but I mean, what do you expect from Chinese, Taiwanese, and German parts, you know? But overall it looks pretty good, and it's pretty much done. Just needs to be lowered, and some wheels would be pretty nice. That's it on the 335. Stay tuned for the next projects, and see ya. So the bad news that I have for this car is that, well, I took it out one night to go do this. And what happened was this.
What? Yeah, but give it a rev. See how it's smoking? Oh, so you hear that knock? It's knocking. Oh, dude, it's blown for sure.
Pretty much, this thing's kind of done. I mean, it still runs pretty good, but knocks pretty hard. And but yeah, it looks awesome. But I'll start it up if she will. Man, no check engine light even, dang. Smokes like a train, bro. Dang, this thing brakes pretty hard. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will probably rebuild it and or get a new engine and have it running pretty soon, but so yeah, stay tuned.
Low shoot to his gun is empty. We hustle smart, never just wanted any cash. These niggas robbing Pathmark, stealing from Jimmy Jazz. Welcome to gangland, don't come without no visit pass. Last year